Hey Steph, it's me. So I just got back from Orlando today, and I'm really tired. And Disney was awesome. It's always awesome. I had my Mickey ears on with the graduation cap and the tassel, and people were like, "Oh, congratulations!" I was like, "Oh, thank you!" And I had a little pin that said I graduated, so it made me feel really, really special, and it was awesome. And I got Disney silly bands. They're princesses. They're amazing. But I want to tell you about Harry Potter. It was the greatest thing I've ever seen in any theme park ever. It was just breathtaking, and as soon as I saw it, I cried, and I'm not ashamed to admit that. We got there at 7:30, and that was way too late. It was a 5-hour wait to get into Harry Potter once you were in the actual theme park at Island of Adventure, and it was crazy. The line went all around the entire theme park, but it was so worth it because the Harry Potter, it was just amazing. Like they did Hogwarts so well. They were like the moving portraits and Dumbledore's office, and like there was Moaning Myrtle in the girls' bathroom, and we had butterbeer. It was great, and it was so crowded, so we couldn't enjoy a lot of it. Like it was like a 3-hour wait to get into Ollivanders, and but it was just like being there for the grand opening. It was really, really awesome. And I wish you could have been there with me, but I'm sure you're having an awesome time at camp. I'm sure Boone is so pretty, so you're probably having an awesome time with your friends. And I will see you very soon. I think it's a week now for the graduation party, and I will tell you more about it then. Cause the video is not gonna do Harry Potter Place justice, and I'll get the pictures up for it soon. I have to find my camera. But yeah, and so I miss you. I love you lots, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Here's the off button. Bye.